Hi, Golden Valley residents. My name is Fred. I work in the Golf Maintenance Department. I'm going to show you a few things today that hopefully you'll enjoy looking at. First thing I have in my hand is called the cup cutter. We normally cut cups anywhere from 4 to 5 times a week, and it's kind of a simple thing. You just stick it in the ground. You go down about 6 inches. You can pull it up, and then this is how you release the plug. Right now over here we have a couple of our fairway mowers. So these machines run anywhere from 3 to 4 times a week, and they start in May, and we usually use them until the end of November. So now we're kind of in the building, and I'm going to just show you a couple of our mowers. These are the greens mowers. They basically have a reel. They have a 7-bladed reel, and that's what usually cuts our grass a little shorter. So we have 3 of those that we use for the greens. Then as you come over here, we have basically roughly 3 T-mowers that we use, and they're just set at a different height of cut. So they cut the grass a little higher. Obviously, here we have a rough mower. We have usually 1 or 2 guys that go out every day and mow rough, so it's about 8 hours. Over here is, we call it the Sidewinder. It's more of an intermediate rough. It usually mows around the tees and the greens. We usually have 1 person do that. Here's our wood chipper. We normally use this mostly in the winter time because of we're trying to eliminate a lot of the ash that potentially could cause from the emerald ash borer. So that's kind of a winter project for us. Here we have a couple of utility carts. So we either haul dirt, pick up grass clippings, and we'll use them in the winter time too. So this is our storage room. Normally we keep extra irrigation heads and parts here. Obviously, the PVC plastic for the irrigation. Obviously hoses, and the curling is over there in the corner. We usually put that out in the winter time. Other than that, hopefully you enjoyed this small tour and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.